This is my entire life running inside Notion. Every habit, every project, every dollar, every idea, all in one workspace. A few months ago, I had notes in Google Docs, tasks in Todoist, budgets in Excel, and projects scattered everywhere. Now everything lives here. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it's all set up. You'll see my habit tracker, my budget system, my freelance CRM, my second brain, and how they all connect. I'll also link every tutorial so you can build any of these yourself. Let's take the tour. First stop, my habit tracker. Every morning I open this page and check off what I did yesterday. Exercise, reading, meditation, drinking water. Each habit has a streak counter that motivates me to keep going. Right now my exercise streak is at 12 days and I really don't want to break it. I have a full step-by-step tutorial on how to build this exact tracker, plus a free template. I'll link it in the description and in the cards right now. Next, my budget tracker. Every time I spend money, I log it here. It takes about 10 seconds. I can see all my income in green, expenses in red, and savings in blue. The board view separates everything by type, so I can instantly see if I'm spending more than I'm earning. Full tutorial and free template in the description. This one has saved me from a lot of end-of-month surprises. All right, let's look at something completely different. My reading list. Every book I want to read, I'm currently reading or I've finished lives here. I tag them by genre, give them a rating when I finish, and write one key takeaway in the notes. The gallery view makes it feel like browsing a bookshelf. Right now I'm reading Deep Work by Cal Newport, and it's changing how I structure my mornings. This is one of the simpler systems, but honestly one of the most satisfying to use. Tutorial link in the description. My project tracker. Everything I'm working on, from this YouTube channel to personal goals, lives here. Each project has a status, a priority, a deadline, and a progress indicator. The Kanban view is what I check every Monday to plan my week. I drag projects between columns as they move forward, and moving something to done is incredibly satisfying. I built this in my 5 templates video, free template in the description if you want it. This is my second brain, and it's probably the system I'm most proud of. It uses the para method. Everything I capture goes into the inbox first, no thinking, no organizing, just capture. Then once a week, I sort things into projects, areas, resources, or archive. The inbox is where random ideas, interesting articles, and book notes land before I decide what to do with them. The resources section is my personal library. Books I've read, articles I've saved, tools I use, courses I'm taking, all tagged and searchable. When I need to find that one article I read 3 months ago, I search here instead of digging through browser history. Full tutorial on building this from scratch is in the description. It takes about 20 minutes and it's the best investment of time I've made this year. Quick pause. You're seeing my full setup, which took months to build. If you want to build yours piece by piece, subscribe. I post a new Notion tutorial every week, 2 more systems to show you. My Student Hub. This is the system I built for managing classes, assignments, and exams. The class schedule uses toggles for each day of the week. I click Monday and see all my classes with times and rooms. The assignment tracker is a database with deadlines, priorities, and status. The Kanban view shows me what's not started, in progress, and done. And the exam planner maps out every test with study status, so I never walk in unprepared. If you're a student, this one is a game changer. Full tutorial and free template in the description. And finally, my Freelance Hub. This is the most complete system in my workspace. It has 3 databases. First, clients. Every person or company I work with, their contact info, what service I provide, and the status of our relationship. Active clients, leads, past clients, all in one place. Then a project tracker, specifically for freelance work. Each project is linked to a client, has a deadline, a priority, and most importantly, a paid checkbox. Below that, a payment tracker, where I log every invoice. I can see what's been paid, what's outstanding, and what I still need to invoice. This section alone has prevented me from forgetting to bill clients at least 3 times. This is my newest system, and the tutorial just went live. Link in the description with the free template. 2 bonus systems, my formula practice page where I test and learn Notion formulas. 5 formulas that cover 90% of what you'll ever need. Tutorial in the description. And Notion calendar, which syncs my Google Calendar with my Notion databases, so I see meetings and task deadlines all in one view. Both have full tutorials linked below. The formulas video especially is one I keep going back to myself when I need to copy a formula. So that's my complete Notion setup. Habit tracker for daily consistency. Budget tracker for knowing where my money goes. Reading list for never forgetting a good book. Project tracker for managing everything I'm working on. Second brain for capturing and organizing ideas. Student Hub for managing school, and Freelance Hub for running my freelance business, all in one workspace, all free templates in the description. My advice if you're just starting out, don't try to build all of this at once. Pick the one system that would solve your biggest problem right now. Build that one, use it for a week, and then add another. I built this workspace over several months, one system at a time. That's how it sticks. Every tutorial is linked in the description and in the cards. Tell me in the comments which system you're going to build first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.